Hello friend, this is Rani Sharma and today we are going to discuss about Piaget's theory of cognitive development. So, first let's know something about Piaget. Born August 9, 1896 Switzerland and date September 16, 1918. Age 84. Okay. Parents eldest son of Arthur Piaget and रेबेका जैक्सन. तो ये किसके पुत्र थे? ऑर्थर पियाजे और रेबेका जैक्सन के. एजुकेशन रिसीव्ड पीएचडी फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यूचैटल इन 1918. वाइफ मैरिड टू बैलेंटाइन चटनी इन 1923. Children. 3 children, namely Jacqueline, Luciana, and Laurent, whose intellectual development from infancy to language was studied by Piaget. एक्चुअली पियाजे ने अपने बच्चों पर ही रिसर्च की थी, देखा था कि बच्चों का विकास कैसे होता है, किस अवस्था में होता है. सो ये उनके बच्चे हैं, देख पा रहे होंगे. देन इंट्रोडक्शन. Jean Piaget, 1896 to 1980, was one of the 20th century's most influential researchers in the area of developmental psychology. He was originally trained in the area of biology and philosophy and considered himself a genetic epistemologist. Piaget wanted to know how children learn through their development in the study of knowledge. He administered Binet's IQ test in Paris and observed that children's answers were qualitatively different. Piaget's theory is based on the idea that the developing child builds cognitive structures. He believes that the child's cognitive structure increases with the development. Piaget's theory of infant development were based on his observation of his own 3 children. What is cognition? The term cognition is derived from the Latin word cognoscere, which means to know or to recognize or to conceptualize. Cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the sense. Key concept. Schema. Schema is an internal representation of the world. It helps an individual understand the world they inhabit. They are cognitive structures that represent a certain aspect of the world and can be seen as categories which have certain preconceived ideas in them. For example, my schema for Christmas includes Christmas trees, present, giving money, green, red, gold, winter, Santa Claus, etc. Someone else may have an entirely different schema, such as Jesus' birth, church, holiday, Christianity, etc. How cognitive development occurs? Cognitive development is gradual and orderly changes by which mental process becomes more complex and sophisticated. The essential development of cognition is the establishment of new schemas. Assimilation and accommodation are both the process of the way of cognitive development. The equilibration is the symbol of a new stage of the cognitive development. What is cognitive development? Cognitive development is the emergence of the ability to think and understand. The acquisition of the ability to think, reason, and problem solve. It is the process by which people thinking changes across the lifespan. Piaget studied cognitive development by observing children in particular to examine how their thought process changed with age. It is the growing apprehension and adaptation to the physical and social environment. Assimilation. Assimilation, it is using an existing schema to deal with a new object or situation. Here, the learner first the new idea into what he already knows. He assimilation In assimilation, the schema is not changed, it is only modified. Example, a 2-year-old child sees a man who is bald on top of his head and has long frizzy hair on the sides. To his father's horror, the toddler the toddler shouts, "Clone, clone." Accommodation. Accommodation. This happens when the existing schema knowledge does not work and needs to be changed to deal with the new objects or situation. In accommodation, the schema is altered, a new schema may be developed. Example, in the clone incident, the boy's father explained to his son that the man was not a clone and that even though his hair was like a clone's, he wasn't wearing a funny costumes and wasn't doing silly things to make people laugh. With this new knowledge, the boy was able to change his schema of clone and make this idea fit better to a standard concept of clone. Equilibration. Piaget's belief, Piaget believed that cognitive development did not progress at a steady rate, but rather in leaps and bounds. Equilibrium occurs when a child's schema can deal with most new information through assimilation. As a child progresses through the stage of cognitive development, it is important to maintain a balance between applying previous knowledge, assimilation, and changing behavior to account for new knowledge, accommodation. Equilibrium helps explain how children are able to move from one stage of thought to the next. The 4 stages of development. Piaget gives 4 stages. The first is sensory motor. This stage is start from birth to 2 years. Second one is pre-operational stage. This stage is start from 2 to 7 years. And third one is concrete operational stage. This stage start from 7 to 11 years. And the last formal stage is 11 to above. Let's explain the stages in the first is the sensory motor stage. Birth to 2 years, infancy. Infants construct an understanding of the world by coordinating sensory experiences, seeing, hearing, with motor actions, reaching, touching. Develop object permanence memory, realize that objects exist even if they are out of sight. Infant progress from reflexive instinctual actions at birth to the beginning of problem solving, intellectual and symbolic abilities, language. Towards the end of this stage, pre-operational stage 2 to 7 years, toddler and early childhood. This stage begins when the child starts to use symbols and language. This is a period of developing language and concept, so the child is capable of more complex mental representation world words and images. He is still unable to use operations logical mental rules such as rule of arithmetic. This stage is further divided into two sub stages. The first one is pre-conceptual stage, 2 to 4 years, increased use of verbal representation, but speech is egocentrism. The child uses symbols to stand for action. A toy doll stand for a real baby, or the child role play mummy or daddy. Intuitive stage, 4 to 7 years. Speech becomes more social, less egocentric. Here the child bases their knowledge on what they feel or sense to be true. Yet they cannot explain the underlying principles behind what they feel or sense. The following are the key features of this stage. Egocentrism. The child's thought and communication are typically egocentric about themselves of or their own point of view. Example: if I can't see you, you also can't see me. It is the inability to see the world from anyone else's eyes. It is a well explained by Piaget as three mountains task. Animism. The second one is animism. Uh, Treating inanimate objects as living ones. Example: children dressing and feeding their dolls as if they are alive. Concentration. Concentration. The process of concentrating on one limited aspect of a stimulus and ignoring other aspect. It is noticed a conservation on the other hand is the knowledge. The quantity is underrated to the arrangement and physical appearance of objects. Children at this stage are unaware of conservation. The third one, concrete operational stage, 7 to 12 years, childhood and early adolescence. The concrete operational stage is characterized by the appropriate use of logic. Important process during this stage are seriation, the ability to sort objects in an order according to size, shape, or any other characteristic. Example: if given different size objects, they may place them accordingly. Transitivity, the ability to recognize logical relationship among elements in a series order. Example: if a taller than b and if a is taller than b and b is taller than c, then a must be taller than c. Classification, the ability to group objects together on the basis of common features. The child also began to get the idea that one set can include another. Example: there is a class of objects called dogs. There is also a class called animals, but all dogs are also animals. So, the class of animals includes that of dogs. Decentering, the ability to take multiple aspects of situation into account. Example: the child will no longer perceive an ex- exceptionally wide but short cup of contain less than a normally wide taller cup. Reversibility. The child understands that number or object can be changed then returned to their original state. Example, the child will rapidly determine that if 4 plus 4 equal to 8, then 8 minus 4 equal to 4. The original quantity. Conservation. Understanding that the quantity, length or number of items is underrelated to the arrangement or appearances of the object or item. Elimination of egocentrism, the ability to view things from another's perspective. The child performs operations combining, separating, multiplying, repeating, dividing, etc. The fourth stage is formal operational stage, 12 years and above. This stage is adolescence and adulthood. The thought becomes increasingly flexible and abstract, can carry out systemic experiment. The ability to systematically solve a problem in a logical and methodological way. Understand that nothing is absolute, everything is relative. Develops skills such as logical thought, deductive reasoning, as well as inductive reasoning and systematic planning, etc. Understand that the rules of any games or social system are developed by a man by mutual agreements and hence could be changed or modified. The child's way of thinking is at its most advanced, although the knowledge it has to work with will change. Educational implication. Emphasize on discovery approach in learning. Curriculum should provide specific educational experience based on children's developmental level. Arrange classroom activities so that they assist and encourage self learning. Social interaction have a great educational value for Piaget. Positive social action therefore should be encouraged. Instruction should be geared to the level of the child. As the level of the child changes at each stage, the level of instruction or exploratory activities should also change. Simple to complex and project method of teaching. Co-curriculum curricular activities have equal importance as that of curricular experiences in the cognitive development of children. Major goals of education according to Piaget are critical and creative thinking. Contribution to education. Piaget's theory helped educators, parents, and investigators to comprehend the capacity of children in their different stages. He made us conscious with the way children and adults think. A lot of school programs have been redesigned, taking as base Piaget's discoveries. Piaget made a revolution with the developmental psychology, concentrating all his attention to the mental process and his role with behavior. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. This channel is not only provide your CDP content, but also this channel is prepare you to make a good teacher. Or thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.